viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our wallet with new DEX application that's name is WOOFi, and WOOFi related to Woo network. And in this video we are going to giving you complete information, so please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Walls Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can see here viewers, we have create or make many videos about Coinbase wallet, and you can also see here we in last video we have discussed about how we can connect wallet with Arbitrum Bridge, how we connect our wallet with Atomic Wallet, how we connect make a DAO. So all video is very informative for you. So please must watch all videos in this video, all videos from this YouTube channel. So you can see here I have opened my YouTube channel. Simple open my YouTube channel. After that you just simple click on video portion, then you will all see the videos about Coinbase wallet. So let's start for our videos. First of all, I'm going to log in my Coinbase wallet. You can see here I have yesterday installed a new browser, so that I need to create my account. First I need to create, I have agree, copy my all phrases, continue, and need to confirm. First I open the notepad file because I want to save my phrases. The first phrase is current and last is submit. So you can see here, verify that you save your secret recovery phrases by clicking on the first and last 12 number. So first and last, current and submit, current and submit. Now my wallet is created successfully. Just enter my password or set my password. Again enter my password. I have agree and submit. My Coinbase wallet is created, and now I do later. You can see here my wallet is created successfully. I have opened. Now next step is I'm going to open CoinJacko because I need to check the rank of Woo and also open official website. Now CoinJacko is going to open in front of me. This time Bitcoin price is almost $37,900, and if we open or check the Woo network from the top 100 cryptocurrency, so I think not available in top 100. So I just simple go to the search area and simple type here Woo network and 129 number, this some rank, simple open. After that Woo trader network binded to the Woo network. For more information you can check the Medium website. Woo network is available here, and Woo token price is 21 cent this time. If I'm going to click on maximum, so you can see here 2020 the price just 0.3 cent, but all-time high is almost $1.5, and today price is just 21 cent. Okay, you can also trade this token on these exchanges. There is big name is available here, you can see here. And if you need to get more information about Woo, so you just simple the visit website. You can see here woo.org. I simple click on it, and after that the main page is open front of me over woo.org. Benefit from our superior execution and unirated transparency, and stake your woo. You can also earn from stake, and also yield farming, and also provide the liquidity. And you can see here top gainers, top features, master traders, many information available here about woo. So I need to connect the DEX. So there's two options available here, CEX and also DEX. So I need to connect my Coinbase wallet with DEX application. So simple is that I just go to the click on it. After that, one DEX to rule all chains, trade and unlike reality with the best prices. And you can see here swap, earn and stake. Three options available here. And if you need to connect your wallet, also you can see here cross chain swap. You also use the cross chain. This is the bridge and CFI. So I'm going to connect my wallet. Simple is that. Click on launch app. Now WOOFi fi.woo.org. This is the official website. Okay. And this time price is 21 cent. And if you want to connect your Coinbase wallet with this DAO application, so simple is that. Connect a wallet, right top corner, and then so I need to agree. And after that, you can see here Coinbase, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Bitget wallet. So I need to select the Coinbase wallet. Now pop-ups open in front of me, and simple read all information. Simple click on connect. Then my wallet is connected successfully. You can see here shown my wallet address here. I have not any balance, so that there is shown only zero balance. Okay. Let's suppose you have connected your wallet with this DAO application and you need to swap. Let's suppose you have a 1 Ethereum in your wallet. Simple type 1 Ethereum and you want to swap in USDT. So automatically USDT will be converted shown in front of you. Means if you pay 1 Ethereum, you will get 2035 USDT in your wallet. And also you can see here fees shown here. And you also change the coin if you need to Ethereum change to other coin. Simple click on this portion and then you can change any coin or any token from the list. Okay, and let's suppose you want to stake. Simple click on stake option, and if your wallet is connected, so you can see here there is shown zero stake because I have not stake my any coin. So if you need to stake your coin, simple type here. Let's suppose you have a 2000 woo or 20,000 woo. Simple click on stake button, then your coin will be staked and you will get extra money from this platform. Okay, and also shown here earn option, so you can check the earn option and you can also use these pools like Ethereum, USDC, BNB, USDT, AVAX, BTCB. You can use your own wallet with this DAO application. Okay, so guys, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Coinbase wallet with Woo network or WOOFi DAO application. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.